Masit?
Yes, Commissioner Masit and Commissioner Wanderi were put in charge of security and welfare. What do I mean by security? As a commission, of course, we have to work with the National Police Service and other operations where we have security not just for the center, but this was security for the whole country, where we deployed over 100,000 police officers to man the elections. And all the complaints were ending up at the commission. And so this was security and welfare of staff. Then we had also Commissioner Molu and Vice Chairperson Juliana in charge of media center and the call center. So those were the major areas of operation.
And as you set up these committees and put together your commissioners and staff to assist, were there any problems or any challenges, especially from Commissioner Masit?